Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next. Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. This is flower border design. Draw the flower outline like this. Now I am using violet color brush pen. Here I am using color pencil, violet color pencil. Fill this middle space with this color. If you want you can use any other colors. Now I am using light blue color sketch pen. Here I am using light blue color pencil. Now I am using green color sketch pen. Draw the line like this. Here I am using green color highlighter. Draw the line like this. I am using scale and black color sketch pen for these lines. Draw like a frame. Draw the round shape like this. Fill the space with violet color brush pen. If you want you can use any other colors. Fill this middle space with light blue color pencil. Fill like this. This was completed. Now I am using light blue color sketch pen. Draw the line like this. Draw the round shape like this. I am using blue color sketch pen for this. Like this. Do you have any doubts regarding border designs or color pens? Comment on comment section. If you want any type of border designs or cover page designs or any type of cards, comment on comment section. Follow me on Instagram, link given in the description box. Now I am using orange color brush pen. Fill like this. Now I am using green color brush pen. Draw the line like this. Draw the 3 lines like this. Same color repeat here. Thank you so much for watching. Support me as liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing. Thank you so much.